Having the opportunity to design a complete series of stick baits for SPRO has given me the ability to basically catch fish at every depth range that I want to catch them in. The biggest thing I can say about the McStick 95 is utilize the bait when the conditions are right. Anytime you're in that really clear water scenario where you've got a lot of threadfin shad, where you've got a lot of those little shore minnows skipping around, that's the time that I look towards that McStick 95. It's a phenomenal fall time bait. When fishing gets tough, just remember the McStick 95 is a bait, in my opinion, is going to put more fish in the boat.